Okay, so last year my best friend Rowley Jefferson got voted class clown.
Nah, Jid, tripping.
Well, I don't think they can take another vote or do a recount or whatever, but I totally got robbed on that. Everyone knows I'm the funniest kid in school.
Why you always lying?
That was all me. Well,
Oh my god.
at least most of my teachers. A couple of them don't seem to.
Are you serious right now, bro?
Can you please come to the front of the room and do the problem?
Yo, mama.
Excuse me?
Yo, slap happy Grinch.
I hardly think that...
Yo, big fanny Grinch. Okay, so maybe I'm just not on the same wavelength as the grown-ups now.
Get your butts back!
No rules, no boundaries.
No. But my classmates get me, and that's all that counts, because they're the ones who do the voting.
What you doing?
Eating chocolate?
Where'd you get it?
A doggy dropped it. I came up with that one too.
You're disgusting.
But if there's one person who knows how funny I am, it's Rowley. I've played like a billion pranks on him.
Do it!
Damn it! In fact, I've taught Rowley just about everything he knows about comedy. One of the things I've taught Rowley is that timing is everything. But I've got to give credit where credit is due. I've learned most of my tricks from the master. I mean, when you've got an older brother like Roderick, you can't help but pick up a few things. Although, I'll admit, having Roderick as a teacher hasn't always been the greatest experience.
Pardon me.
If I want to steal the class clown title from Rowley, I'm gonna have to do something big. I don't want to give away my...